Yeah, that's right. You saw what you saw. Subscribe. What are you waiting for? You know, when you build something, like seriously, when you build something, if the world would just build stuff, you know what I mean? What a great place we would live in. Keeping your hands busy, minding your own damn business, build something for yourself, enjoy it, less stress, you know, cathartic. Building's cathartic. Doesn't have to ever be perfect, it just doesn't. Financially stable when you build your own stuff. You don't have to purchase it. You know, maybe that's what's the kids of the world today. It's all fake stuff online. They don't have a sense of accomplishment. Hey, did you build that piece of shit? Yeah. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's ugly. It's great. Or what? It doesn't matter. Go build something and share it. Don't want to build more with less, you can always get these. That would make a good camp box. The Husky build out system and its own wheels too. That would make a perfect camp box.